How to find calls notifications settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the calls notifications settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one here, calls. And as you see here, you can manage calls settings, and that's how to find call settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.